Carolina News. It's time to talk about our weather. Now, as I said earlier, it's a really nice kind of fall-like day. It's 71 degrees outside, and we're almost at our high for the day, which is 72. And our low this evening is going to be 56 degrees, which is a lot cooler than we've really been seeing. And our humidity right now, we're at 73 degrees, so it's a little bit muggy. And I want to show you guys that weather in action with our class change cam. This is from earlier today, and as you can see, people are walking around just a little bit bundled up, ready for that fall weather. There's a few people who weren't dressed, but they just must be from up north. I don't think they were as cold. However, we're going to move on from that, and I want to show you our across the state forecast. Like I said, Columbia, it's around 71, 72 degrees. Up in the upstate in Greenville, we're talking 68, so it's a little bit cooler. Down in Aiken, we're at 69 degrees, and then over on the coast in Charleston, you can see that we're at 72 degrees, Myrtle Beach, 69, and it's a little warmer in Florence at 74. And now I want to talk about our forecast for the evening. We are talking about at 5 p.m. we're going to get to 72 degrees, so just, in about an hour it's going to be about the same. 6 p.m. it's going to cool down a little bit with 69, and then as the sun sets, just like I mentioned earlier, 66 degrees, 63 degrees, and 62. So we're definitely feeling that fall chill in the air. It's going to get a lot colder. And now another evening I want to speak about is Halloween, our Halloween forecast for later this week. During the day on Halloween, it's going to be pretty similar to today. It's going to feel like fall for sure, 62, 75 as we hit lunchtime, and 80 degrees around 4 p.m. And then Halloween night, what everybody's excited for, it's going to be about 78 degrees at 6 p.m., 69 at 9 p.m. And if you're out between 9 p.m. and 12 a.m., you're definitely going to want to bring a jacket with you. And I also just want to point out that 0% chance of precipitation on Halloween. It's going to be a really nice, beautiful, dry day outside. And finally, I want to move into our 5-day forecast. So on Tuesday, tomorrow, as you can see, it's going to be a high of 72 degrees, a low of 53. Wednesday, it's going to be a little bit warmer, 74 with low of 58. Thursday, Halloween, of course, just like I was talking about, we're going to see a warm up for sure. It's going to be 81 degrees with a low of 58. Friday, that warm up continues. We've got 83 degrees with a low of 60. And then on Saturday, it's going to cool back down just a little bit, 78 degrees with a low of 56. That's all I have right now. Later on, I'll get into our 5-day forecast. Back to you at the news desk.